Here, you can see the busiest condition monitoring day of the year at a regular substation. It may not seem like that. This substation is smarter than any other like it. When you take a closer look, you can see that the substation is full of various sensors that measure the condition of the substation's equipment. The sensors transmit information wirelessly to a data platform that continuously manages and processes the data. Using this information, service comes on site exactly when needed. Over the decades, limited remote monitoring solutions for substations have proven their strength in anticipating the development of equipment damage. The latest technology solutions enable digital monitoring to have a wider reach than ever before. Lifecycle management of the modernized equipment base can be implemented by new and innovative means. The Smart Condition Monitoring System, created by Fingrid and its partners, will radically change the maintenance of the high-voltage transmission grid in the coming years. It all started with a search for suitable and affordable sensors. When such were not available, innovation competitions were held, resulting in cost-effective sensors suitable for the monitoring of the transmission grid. The need to take advantage of the huge amount of data from these devices resulted in the creation of a data platform in which application-specific algorithms analyze the measurement results and which gives the system user a much more accurate picture of the condition of the equipment than before. Further development of the system will make it possible to utilize new features in the future, thus providing its users with even more accurate and comprehensive information. The entire system is completely independent from the grid supervisory control and data acquisition system and utilizes IoT technology in the form of a cloud service. Installing the sensors is quick and the system is scalable. The system makes it possible to avoid serious equipment damage and provides customers with a stronger power network, as well as efficient targeting of maintenance work. Digital monitoring. Understand the condition of the assets.